Hi guys! Welcome back to my vlog. So today, I'll share with you a day in my life as a student intern at Balasan Central School. And ngayon ay sasamahan niyo ako sa aking journey. So time check, it's 6:12 a.m. and we're gonna prepare early para early din tayo makapunta sa school.
Hi guys! So this is basically a glimpse of my day as a student intern. So habang naghahanda nga ako dito, I reminded myself na field study is not just a school requirement, it's a preparation for the future I'm slowly building. Pagkatapos ko nga mag-breakfast ay nag-prepare din ako ng mga accessories ko and nag-skincare tsaka nag-travel na din ako papunta ng school. One thing na observe ko talaga sa loob ng classroom is organize lahat ng gamit. Magandang ambience pagkatapos, complete talaga, may attendance, may classroom rules, pati mga bulletin boards puno din. Napakalinis din sa loob, may TV din sila, and super nakakagana nga kasi may pasayaw pa sila before magklase, and after na klase meron pang energizer bago sa next subject. So that time nga guys is ako yung nagbibigay ng exam kasi binilin sa amin ni ma'am na kami yung magbibigay since mayroon silang pupuntahan na importante and kami yung nag-assist muna sa mga bata sa pagbibigay ng kanilang exam. Sa buong araw na to, na-realize ko na being a student intern is not just about teaching lessons or giving exams. It's about patience, small interactions, and the effort we give every single day. Kahit nakakapagod minsan, seeing the students learn and participate reminds me why I chose this path. Step by step, I'm becoming the teacher I aspire to be. And to everyone watching this, whatever journey you're in right now, keep going. Hindi man laging madali, but every small step you take today is preparing you for something bigger tomorrow. So actually guys, tatlong section yung nabigyan namin ng exam, yung advisory ni ma'am, yung section yellow and section red. And pagkatapos 11:30 naglinis kami ng classroom at saka uuwi na din kami.